Calculate the pH when a strong acid is given. First of all, when the question is given to you, you need to identify if the given acid is strong or weak, because the strong acid pH is calculated in a way, and the pH of a weak acid is calculated in a different way. So here you go, in this question, HCl is a strong acid. So the first step you need to do, you need to write the ionization equation of this strong acid to show that it's a full ionization. So HCl ionizes fully to H plus and Cl minus. And the reason we are doing this is just to justify why the concentration of the acid HCl is completely equal to the concentration of H plus. After we do this justification, now we can use the formula pH equal minus log of H plus, because the formula is not pH minus log HCl. So I need to find an excuse why I'm going to use this same number. So here we go. Writing this equation will make this justification. So minus log of 0.15, and the answer would be 1.82, the pH, which is clearly less than 7, a very low pH, showing that this is an acidic solution.